Alright guys, thanks for coming. I'm so thankful that you made it here. A year ago, I got the first comic of Nemesis out. Now I got the second comic out now in the next days to come. She is probably going to be bought by a lot of fans, and these people are going to spread the word about Nemesis. She is going to enter either of your worlds. I think it will be a great idea for you to get acquainted with Nemesis. So, any questions? Seriously, I mean, maybe you have been in Asgard for too long. She is the goddess of vengeance and retribution. The real character in my books, her superhero persona is Nemesis. Her background, however, involves much more struggle. Oh, yeah, struggles. I mean, she is actually an orphan. I know you share that in common with her. Her parents were killed in a car accident. Her case never got solved. Going through hardships, being an oddball, having all kinds of PTSD. She has developed a lot of mental problems and a tendency towards aggression. She's always felt like she has no control over her life because she was tortured, used, taken advantage of, and she faces that struggle from issue 1 to issue 2. Of course, in issue 2, things start to change and she is no longer that helpless kid. I can't do everything as fast as you can. Good things take time. I got a full-time job. I also make video content, the one that you're watching right now. I've been through a surgery. I'm just finding time here and there to get it done. Hey, the good thing is it is done. Oh my god, Stan, I'm a huge fan and I have been a huge fan. I hope you're having a great time up there. I drew this whole thing by hand on scraps of paper when I was 15 years old. You were going through puberty. You were under the thumb of your parents, trying to fit into a society, trying to fit in with other kids that you don't really feel connected to. I created this character because she was kind of going through the same thing, but in a different way. Of course, I have infused and included a lot of the life lessons that I have learned. Everything that she's going through is symbolic. The whole growth from issue 1 to issue 2 is dramatic. Symbolism is used a lot. Nemesis originally is supposed to be a goddess that has wings. She feels like a caged bird in this comic. She was in a confined space where she couldn't really take control of her life, but she does. Yes, sir. The first issue is completely submerged in this sense of darkness. Her whole transformation into Nemesis was also toiled with tragedy. In both of the issues, you're going to see the same sentence. Your past doesn't define your future. She has a very harsh past. And in the second issue, you will be able to see the light at the end of the tunnel. She has matured. She is speaking as the superhero. I feel so honored to be asked this question by you. I have experience from painting, which is my greatest hobby. I was in a group that writes short stories in English. A graphic novel is very different. I will look into the work of the greats. Jorge Jimenez, Hellboy by Mignola, Sin City, noir, dark themed films. Can I just say that I'm really in love with you? I am, the sketcher, the colorist, the editor, the writer. With the first issue, it was a very fast-paced process. I just drew through. After the first issue, you have so many ends that you need to tie up. How can I make it better and deeper than the first issue? How can I make this character much more achieved? I am selling these 2 issues in China. It will come with an autograph, a personal handwritten message to my buyers. The second issue comes with concept art, character design, little behind the scene Easter eggs in the back, and it's a 48-page labor of love. I really hope you enjoyed this fake interview. If you place a pre-order for either the second or the first issue or a bundle of the 2, DM me. This could be on your bookshelf. Thank you so much for supporting independent artists' work. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow me. And you can always go to all my platforms to join my membership. I'll see you guys next time in 闪颖 Blinglish 小颖课堂